Hello and welcome. I'm Lisa Mitrakin, and I am thrilled to present to you the crown jewel of It's Easy to Draw Art Academy, Metallic Effects Masterclass. If you want to create artwork that gleams and shimmers with hyper-realistic metallic effects, this comprehensive course will transform your colored pencil art forever. This is our most ambitious and advanced program in the Academy yet, and we have some pretty impressive courses out there already. This one features over 80 video lessons across 6 information-packed chapters. But don't let the word advanced intimidate you. I've designed every single lesson to be approachable and easy to follow. In this masterclass, you will learn to transform ordinary, innocent-looking things like apples and ribbons into stunning 3D metallic creations. You'll master pure metals as well as complex alloys, bringing them to life with realistic textures, from pristine shine to weathered rust, from delicate scratches to mysterious tarnish. One of our major projects in this course is a breathtaking green tarnished bronze Medusa medallion, an exceptional piece that could stand alone as a full course, yet serves as just one chapter in our comprehensive journey. In fact, this entire course is really a collection of 6 individual metals courses bound into one epic program. For our grand finale, I will share with you my complete coloring recording of this gorgeous Valkyrie character. I designed and drew this coloring page to showcase various colored metals as they appear through weather and atmospheric distortion. After watching my coloring process of this piece, you are invited and encouraged to create your own version of this coloring. If you do, it will be an artwork worthy of framing and displaying proudly on your wall. So I really hope you try your hand at this. It looks overwhelming now, but trust me, after 5 comprehensive chapters leading up to this, you will have all the tools and skills and confidence you need to succeed. I've designed and created all the practice illustrations specifically for this program. You only need colored pencils and paper. Well, and some white charcoals for some part of this. I'll teach you everything else. At first, I will hold your hand tightly and guide you with every stroke of your pencil, calling out every single color that I use. But by the end of this course, in those final episodes of our final project, your training wheels will come off, and you'll be making your own artistic decisions while simply observing my natural coloring techniques. And that is why it's so important to follow these lessons in order. As you unlock each lesson, it is yours to keep forever and revisit as often as you like, so don't rush. Take as long as you need on each video and each practice page. After completing this course, you'll have the skills to add incredible metallic effects to any coloring page out there, or to your own freehand drawings. So, are you ready to turn your coloring into pure gold? Your first lesson awaits. I'll see you there.